Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Oil prices jumped today as Western allies imposed more sanctions on Russia and blocked some Russian banks from a global payment system, which could cause severe disruption to its oil exports. Now, Brent crude for April delivery settled up $3.06 to close at $100.99 a barrel, exceeding $100 per barrel for the first time since 2014. The jitters surrounding the Ukraine-Russia tensions are expected to continue driving up the cost of oil, which will have a major impact on global commodities. Meanwhile, businesses are being encouraged this evening to stock up on some commodities as the Ukraine-Russia crisis intensifies. Professor of International Business at the University of the West Indies, Dr. Denzel Williams, says manufacturers should do an assessment of their raw material sources as there may be further price hikes.
If you see that there will be a shortage of major commodities that you need, then you have to forward buy today in order to secure tomorrow. So what you will have to possibly do is to look at the futures market for commodities, for example, and say what you can secure now. You may not have to hoard them now, but you try to secure them now and secure them at this particular price as well.
Professor Williams says the energy sector should also be closely monitored.
The oil hedge that we have in Jamaica as well, that now may become very, very useful for us. I don't recall that we would have actually abandoned that hedge. If we have that hedge, it now becomes very useful because I think it is predicated on oil being at about $60 a barrel. Now oil is $100 a barrel. So the hedge becomes very, very useful for us now.
On to some company news for the year ended December 2021. Guardian Holdings reported a net profit of 798 million Trinidadian dollars. That's compared to 778 million Trinidadian dollars for 2020. The increased earnings were driven by gains achieved through the equities market. Guardian earned 2.8 billion Trinidadian dollars for the year, an increase compared to 2.5 billion dollars in 2020. Guardian's net income from insurance activities saw a 25% drop, amounting to $1.1 billion. Since the pandemic, insurance companies across the region have been reporting a drop in new insurance policies and earnings from the segment. Now, the foreign currency market ended today with the US dollar being sold for an average $155.60. $122.24 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $208.68 for the pound, while the euro is trading for an average $178.65. The JSE index declined by 70 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 27 points. Among today's winners were First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Fesco, Main Event Entertainment Group, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, and 138 Student Living Jamaica variable shares, while on the losing side were Portland JSX, Mayberry Investments, JMB Group 7.25% shares, Paramount Trading Jamaica, and Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Key. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.